I stand here by a prophetic mantle tonight to cancel plane crash. In the name that is above every name, every agenda of the devil to cause any crash, liko parata sita liar, either by bird invasion or engine failure, whatever it is, I stand anointed within the next few days. Every attempt of hell to cause a crash, to cause a bloodshed, it is cancelled. In the name of Jesus, is it cancelled? It is cancelled. It's cancelled. It's cancelled. One major assignment of the prophetic is to interfere with the devil, is to go in front of him. What he wants to do is blocked. I announce today that agenda of hell is cancelled.